Welcome back to my channel. Way too much in you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon. Press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I'll discuss regarding the MMD signal examination. So as you guys know, previously it was not there. You can book function 2 and function 3 for your second maths oral without giving or without clear your signal examination in MMD. But now after this pandemic situation, MMD and Digi Shipping has come up with a new idea that you have to clear your signal exam beforehand before applying your all the function orals, means function 1, function 2 and function 3. If you haven't applied yet, then you are not eligible for applying the orals. So first thing what you have to do, you have to make the payment for the signal examination. You have to take the PDF or printout for the receipt. Better to take a printout, and then you can apply for the signal examination. So before also the same process was there. You have to make payment by using the Bharatkosh account. So most of them are not aware about it, that how to make payment. So I will make one video regarding this and full tutorial video that how to make payment and how to get your receipt. Okay, so let's not waste the time over here and let's move to my laptop screen very quickly, and there I'll show each and every aspect regarding the MMD signal exam booking. So as you can see, this is the Bharatkosh official website. So I will put the link in the description box, but all the candidates, I guess you are aware about that, because I guess you have already made payment for your GMDSS GOC certificate. So you are very much renowned about this website. So I guess you have a profile also, you have registered already for the payment beforehand for the GMDSS. So you can log in with the same credentials. So I'll just log in and again come back to you, and I'll show you each and everything regarding the signal booking. So as you can see, I have already logged in with my old credentials. So now these steps are very easy. Just follow it. Just go to the make your payment, just click on it. Go to the payment for or payment to GOL. Yeah, payment for GOL. Do not click receipt for DOT, which you have done for your GMDSS. Okay, so individual, okay, you can select individual. You can see the purpose is there. In purpose there is a search icon. Just click over here, very easy, and wait for some time. Yeah, so you just need to click shipping. Ministry, you just need to click shipping. You have to find from the drop down box and click shipping, and do not put anything in the purpose column or box. Just click on the search. Then you can see lot of things are there. Suppose I'm assuming you are going to appear for the Kolkata MMD, so you just need to click examination fee for PAO shipping Kolkata. So if it is for the Mumbai, you can go for Mumbai. Whatever it is, you can go. Okay, so this is the thing for the examination. Payment type, payment to MMD Kolkata you select, and function head already other receipt. So these things already you can see already filled automatically. Just for signal exam you need to pay 1000 rupees only, so you just click 1000. Payment frequency, okay. Remarks you can put something like that, booking for signal exam in September 2020. So this thing you can put, okay, and click add. Now see the payment is at. Now you just need to proceed with your payment details. So these are the things that there, you just need to put. Actually this thing all fulfilled. So okay, so I'll just proceed with that. All the details is there. So what you have to do, just confirm it. So this is the payment gateway, you can see. So I'll just make the payment as per my convenient way, and I'll show you the receipt definitely. After 3 or 4 attempts, I have successfully made the payment, because there is some problem in the bank link or payment link somewhere it is. Okay, so after making the payment, you will find this kind of page. So you can see there is a transaction receipt in a PDF format. You just need to click over here and download it. I'll show you now. Yeah, it has been downloaded. Now yeah, this is the receipt, you can see. Okay, so name is there, rupees is there, and all the things is there. So that is a receipt for the MMD signal exam payment, and you can show this receipt printout to the MMD and you are eligible for appearing the MMD signal examination. So I guess I've understood all the video, and thank you for watching it. So I guess you have understood this video regarding the signal exam booking. So please go and book your signal exam if you haven't cleared it or haven't booked it yet. So I guess after watching this video there will be no problem for booking the examinations, and obviously best of luck for your examinations. Whichever MMD you are giving, that doesn't matter. Kolkata, it can be Mumbai, it can be Delhi. So you can go and clear your MMD exams. Best of luck for that, and obviously for your function orals also. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.